Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, wonders they say shall never end. You guys know that yesterday something happened to one of the Eze. The house got burnt. Anyways, if you want to get the full update, this our brother plus vlog got all the message and it got you covered. Hurry up right now and follow him on his page so that you will get all the latest happening. Now sit back, listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Yotago, all the very long. I think WhatsApp is 1 minute, if I'm not mistaken, or 59 seconds, or 55 seconds. 5 minutes video. You gotta watch that video. If I bar now, bumbari. O nwere ihe fọrọ n'ụlọ ahụ ife agbara na be DC George bụ mgbe ya apịarụ dị ya bụ mpịasa ịghọtago all the whole compound is gone. Yes, so anybody wey support evil thing must follow the person now. I saw the video where that king say so and my mind tell me much. Yeah. Shebi the day Abuja they pray for hope or them last time. All of them they were national kwaf. I don't even hear go. I feel no talk wagad. They don't know that Biafra is a spirit. And then they will come back for you. Today is happening. So no retreat, no surrender. If you don't know, you may check on onye na-anya ọkada today ga-emeche nya moto echi o wee bụrụ ya na so ya bụ the thing ife ọjọọ onye metere ọ ga-abụ ya n'isi. I'm waiting my own and their children about this onye ahụ ga-receive ya. So ya bụ the thing. So na-follow page and tag ka ị nwee ike na-enweta update all the time. Post of video ga watch share, post of video watch share. Nkama na-emere anyị ife no biko ife anyị na-emebi ife mmụọ mmasị onwe onye m na-esend mu that video na WhatsApp onwe ni video ọbụla drop ma ọ bụghị abụghị WhatsApp anaghị esend nwe ya na WhatsApp ọ bụ na-epost ya na Facebook ma nọ na Telegram ka ọ ga-adị because of KD save eze ndị arụrụ mal everywhere. All of them will go down one by one. Yeah? The idiot nwere lock. If not, aka egbe ọkụ gbakwasị ọkụ n'ime na by this time at least ana minus godo -1. Well, ha ga-esi na Biafra land pụọ naba Abuja. Abuja is their motherland because they are not interested for Biafra to come. So they will go back to their base. They will go back to the north and stay. Shameless people. People that have nothing to offer in this generation. They have nothing to offer in this generation. So believe me, only far away. They can't offer anything in this generation. So you have the thing, my people. Yeah, guys, do the run. You see, watching it, you see. If I may be more now, or Jaban. Yeah. When I'm a na-aga. Ọ bụ na afọ before Chinefo efogo video ọgba everywhere. Ha nwa ga-eji aka ha na-evidio. Otu a ha wepụta na video ba a na-atụsakwa ya. A na-etinyere ha aka ka enwe ka etụsa ya. Ọ dị mma. Otu ahụ. Yotago. One love. Ọ ije abalị ka a na-eje. akara 6666 mgbe ekwentị na-akụ. Ọ ya bụ the thing. Onye si na Biafra ma mbịa ewere isi ya tinye ka o nwee ike wee bịa, because Biafra is the last hope we have. Ọ ya bụ ife m na onwe. If you are not preaching Biafra, don't come closer to me. Mgbe oyi. Ọ bụ na ị naghị ekwu okwu Biafra, you are a very useless idiot. You are a bastard. You are a bastard. You be a stupid human being. Ọ bụ na onye ha anaghị ekwu okwu Biafra. So you must talk about Biafra. Anybody that have platform, you are not talking about Biafra. That person is a very stupid idiot. Use your platform to preach the God of Chukwokike. Because Biafra is the last miracle that will happen on this earth. On this earth, Biafra is the last miracle that will happen. Is the last miracle that will liberate Africa, liberate the whole world. Not only Biafra here. So if you have your platform, don't preach about Biafra. Time is coming where you will look for where they are talking about Biafra. Let me join. Let me listen. By then, no, they go late one. By then, I'm gonna ask you, what have you been doing for years? Nothing. Yet ago. So, all you have the 10 women. Asap, no time. Time adro. Onye si ka oburu ya o. Onye si ni ọjọọ bife a ga-eji na-akpa nkata, a ga-ewekwara ife ọjọọ ahụ na-esi ya n'azụ. No time. Last Biafra will come. They know. All of them know that very, very well that Biafra is here already. Biafra, when they got stop on here, because Eba no Keta now is unstoppable. Agafego. So you have the thing. So, well, that video, the house is. I asked him to show. Apple Dara. They have nothing to offer. Happy fire na ako. Yotago. Apple they go. If you see them, tell them they go explain tire. Just write una go explain tire. Yeah. You don't see how they explain now. Who go answer them, Kwan? Ndubisi. Who go answer them? They go explain tire. They go explain tire. Yotago. If they don't like it, make all of them go to court or make all of them go jam trailer and die. But what they got stop Biafra not to come on. So we have the thing. Even Andy will be at this life again because of the disturbance of our people in now. Inbox here. Send me the video. I'm not saying we get that video now. Now what's up? I can't. This is 5 minutes plus. I'm saying you go there. Organ court. The page I'm tag back now. You can go there. The full video is there already. The full video is there already. You can go there and watch the video. That is why I'm tagging the page here. You can go there and watch the video by yourself. The full video is there. So my people, no guy back watch the video. They follow the page. Now share the video and I post to there. Anytime I post a video, now fear you need follow the page of Mofma. And then with their own updates. Update is the key that this Biafra movement. So I have the 10 yagas here. I will sleep now because I'm really tired. Maybe tomorrow I'll still join live. King Man wants to join live. King Man. King man, I'm trying to add you, but he's not accepting. I'm not even accepting one. If you want to say something, you can add me up. Before I go offline, if you have anything to say. You're not gonna explain tire. They go explain tire now. They go explain tire. Oh. They go explain tire, my people. All this evil king, we dey for our land, we no get sense. All of them go get sense by fire by force. If second speed now, where they go rush now to rescue our leader. How God they can feel? Because they will change, you go. After 15th of this month, if Mazin and Kano didn't release, they will see another fire self is coming. They never see anything self. Actually, they will look at you. Ụmụazị ga-ewuru ekọnọmi Naijiria gbalikọ na nke ikpeazụ. Ọ dị ho pipeline ga-adịgodi daa, ha ga-afụ ya na ọ ga-adị Naijiria ka fim. Na amara ya plan dose. Because ihe na-enye Naijiria ego bụ na Biafra land ka ọ nọ. You can't tell me that. What do you tell me na Lagos? Lagos get anything. Because no get anything. Ihe ọbụla na-enye Naijiria ego today is coming from Biafra land. Yotago. Yeah, for Nigeria Jaba today. It's coming from Biafra land. Amiro mana amire bugo ya Lagos. Yotago a ship ya to UK. Eba na-eme refinery nwa. A refine cha ebute ya n'obodo. Ndara. British eji mmadụ akpa ewu. Ebe Chineke na ọkpọ ha ọkụ dị. My own oil. Mwa nwede oil nwere access there. Yotago. So ihe niile na-enye Nigeria ego nọ na Biafra land. So economy of Nigeria kita na ga-agbalikwe more and more. I know one day like this you lose 1 billion man everywhere scatters here. What I say the map was the home house can.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please do it to share the video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.